Ready to unleash your inner game developer and bring your wildest Five Nights at Freddy's dreams to life? First things first, you'll need Adobe Animate. If you don't have it, make sure to download it so you're all set. We'll use it to modify existing Fnaf assets or create brand new ones. Let's dive into character customization. Open a Fnaf character file in Animate. You'll see various layers. These are the building blocks of your character. Select a layer, like the body or a part of it, and start experimenting. The Tools panel gives you everything you need. You can change colors using the color picker. Want to get really creative? The drawing tools let you reshape body parts. Select a layer and begin experimenting with the modifications to be made. Now it's time to export your creation. Go to File, then Export. This will produce modifications for the game. Remember to save your work. Finally, apply those edits to your preferred Fnaf fangame. This will allow your new character to be used. It's that easy. There you have it. Your custom character is now part of the game. Now change and make as many edits as you want. Now go create your own mods, share your creations, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow Fnaf and Animate enthusiasts. Happy modding!